pronounce the letter T and the letter R in Tahitian. I think those two letters are probably the hardest consonants that English speakers have a hard time to pronounce. First, the letter T in English sounds like this t, t, or tea time. There's almost like a puff sound, when pronouncing this letter. In Tahitian, we pronounce this letter much differently. We actually make almost like a silent D. Not really, but kind of. It sounds like this. T, t. Basically, you have to put the tip of your tongue right behind your upper teeth and then put it down. And it almost sounds like a silent D, like this. Ta, ta, or tato, tato, to tato. You can also say to tato tita, our guitar. To tato tita. Okay, so pay attention to the pronunciation of the letter T. Don't say to tato. Oh my gosh, please don't do that. It's to tato. To tato tita. Oh my gosh, no. It's to tato tita. All right? Now the second letter is the letter R. So the letter R in Tahitian is pronounced like the Spanish R or the Scottish R. We basically roll our R's. So it sounds like this. R, r. Okay? So instead of saying ratere or reva, we say ratere, ratere, or reva. Now, to all my English speakers out there, this is your chance. If you want to sound more like a native Tahitian, pay attention to the pronunciation of these two letters, the letter T and the letter R. All right, well done. Marurut farur ame. Nana.